Hi guys, this is Jody. In this 2-minute tutorial, we're going to create a slatted tabletop. I've already modeled out the base and the rim of the table, and we're just going to create the slats that go across. So the first thing we want to do is figure out how many pieces we need going all the way across the top of the table. We're going to draw a reference line, lock it to the red axis by clicking on your right arrow key, select that line, right click on it and say, select that line, right click on it and select divide. As you drag your mouse to the right, you're going to get more and more pieces. And if you pause, you'll see that you get some information there. This is 37 segments, at length is 2 3/4. I want to make this to be about 2 inches, so I'm going to hover there, and I see I get 52 segments out of it. I'm going to click to set that, and now you can see that we've divided this line into 52 pieces. I'm going to select the second to last there and then delete the rest of this. And now I've got this one piece to use as a reference for how big my slat needs to be. I have already drawn out a profile here for this, and I grouped it, and I'm just going to line it up with my reference here and make sure it's the same size. I'm going to scale it in a little bit. There we go, so it lines up. I will double click to get into this group, push it, pull it to that edge, and then push pull it to this edge. I'm going to click on that, right click, and make that a component. And then I'm just going to move it in copy mode. I'm going to hide this piece real quick so we can see what we're doing. I'm going to move this piece in copy mode, so move and then modifier key so that I am creating a copy. Click on the corner there and tap it to the corner there, and then before you go anywhere else, you're going to type in multiply, so times, and then we're going to make 51 copies. Copies all the way across. That looks really great. I'm going to bring back the edge here, and we've got a nice slatted tabletop. If we feel like we want to change the size of this piece, maybe we don't want the gap in between to be so big, I can select these lines, move them over a little bit. Just depends on what you want your tabletop to look like. And there we go. A nice slatted tabletop for our table. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.